work it, home, work it, home, work it. This week on homework, I want to do a really simple grocery store flower hack, and baby's breath are some of my favorite flowers that the grocery store always has, and I need to make this one quick. It's a busy day at the Lee's house, and so literally I'm going to try to do a 1-minute flower arrangement or less. And what I have here is just an old vintage ice bucket, old champagne bucket. I'm just getting a couple things of baby's breath for like $5 each. God, I can't mess it up. I like things like that. This arrangement will last for like however many years I need it to last. I do put water in baby's breath just to keep it alive for a week or two. Once it dries up, you can just kind of dump the water. I've had one in my office for like over a year. And I do love it when it's fresh and pretty and green, like this. Straight from the grocery store. I'm not very gentle with ours, I've realized. I think it's gonna take me longer to clean up the mess from my flower arrangement than it is to actually make the flower arrangement. As I'm just taking the taller pieces and putting them towards the middle and getting the shorter ones out and around towards the bottom. There you go though. It's so pretty, so easy. How much time is that?
3.5 minutes.
3.5 minutes, shoot. Okay, let me revise. I'm going to show you this week on homework how to do a 3.5 minute flower arrangement. Time flies when you're flower arranging. Okay. No, truly the mess is like the bigger issue. I wish my dog was like 8 flowers. 3-minute flower arrangement with baby's breath. Enjoy.